Good morning, Pip. So many weeds, so little time. What's that over there? Something new. A tiger. Trapped! Big Kitty is trapped. How to help? Think, Max, think! I know just the thing. Thing! To the barn! Where is it? Where is my trusty helper? My magnificent digging machine! Just a little push there. Vroom! We're ready, Pip!
Almost there. Steady now, Max. Steady.
All right, Big Kitty. Rescue mission activated. Sorry, just a little readjustment. Gracious. Pip, always the brave one.
A peace offering, fresh from the farm.
Another day, another adventure, eh, Pip? Oh, Pip! Look at them! Ready for market! Oof! Heavy! Almost got it, Pip! Whoa! Slow down, you big green fellow! Too many! How will we carry them all? My hands are too small. Pip, we need a plan. Tractor. Of course. Come on, Pip. Our ride awaits. My trusty steed. We've got work to do.
Shiny, shiny. Almost ready.
Oh, bother! Not now! That's spicy! Yeah! Yes! We're back in business!
Smooth sailing now, Pip.
1, 2, 3, almost full. Close call. Market, here we come.
Lovely day for a drive, isn't it, Pip?
Nice save, Pip. Isn't the world beautiful, Pip? Oh no, not again! Peep, peep, ha! Good as new! We made it, Pip! A pet! Oh, the market! Use us! Fresh melons coming through!
Finest watermelons in the whole market.
Thank you! Enjoy!
A perfect day, Pip. Absolutely perfect.
Best repelled after a long day.
Almost home, little friend. Let's go! Quack, quack!
Okay, Max, you got this.
Ooh, almost there! Quack! Uh-oh, gotta work! Chatter, chatter, chatter. Quack, quack,
No, Daisy, no!
quack. Must fix fast. Quack. Yes, that's it, Pip. I've got it. Quack, quack. All right, Pip, we need a plan. Quack.
Almost there, Pip! Quack, quack!
Quack, quack, quack. Almost there, Pip. We did it. Quack, quack. We did it. We built it. Quack, quack, quack. Chattering, chirping, mooing. Quack, quack. Oh, smoke! Huh? Hoo-hoo! Beep, beep! A giraffe. He's in trouble. Come on, old girl! Oh, poor fellow. We're coming! Don't worry, friend. We'll get you out. Oh, just a little push. Almost got it. This way, big guy. Chitter, chitter. Quack!
Just another day on the farm.